welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, I'm gonna go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Sarah. I am a mommy to 5, and on this channel, I produce a lot of content just for mothers to give you motivation for your everyday and help you find the joy in parenting. Now, I don't know about you moms, but I know that I personally struggle with finding clothes for myself. Give me some money, I can go into like any store and find a million things for my children. But when it comes to shopping for myself, I really have difficulty with it. And honestly, I kind of just like steer away from it. 9 times out of 10, you will find me like in yoga pants and like just a sweatshirt or just a comfy t-shirt and jeans like this. And that seems to be my typical mom style. But I do want to change that, but I don't want to have the hassle of like going to multiple different stores, trying on a million different things and not liking what I find. So I was really excited when a company called Fashom reached out to me. Now, if you have not heard of Fashom, they are very similar to like a Stitch Fix style company. However, they have a few unique qualities that set them apart. So basically with Fashom, what you do is the very first time you log onto their website, you create like a styling profile, and actually your first styling session is free. After that, it's a $15 charge, but the cool thing about that is the $15 from the styling fee, you can apply to any of the products that you end up purchasing, so you're really not out any money. But the first time that you log onto their website, it's totally free to do a styling session. And in the styling session, they're gonna ask you like multiple different questions. It's basically like a big questionnaire where you can like tell them like what types of clothing you like what materials you like, what things you want to stay away from. If you have a special occasion coming up where you need like a certain look, you can let them know that. They ask you like your skin tone, your hair color, etc. That way they can really just like get a good idea of like who you are. You can also submit photos of like certain outfits that you really like. And after all of that is filled out, that is sent to a personal stylist. And that stylist goes ahead and pulls looks for you. And the unique thing about them that I think sets them apart from the other companies is that they do not just send you those items blind. So you don't get a box of products that you have never seen before, but your stylist actually goes ahead and emails you when your looks are ready, and you can go through them and you can choose the ones that they mail to your house. And also, if you don't like what the stylist picked, you can let her know like, hey, I didn't really like this one, but I'm more or less looking for this, and they will totally like revamp your looks, which is great. I just feel like it makes it more personal. It makes it less of a hassle, because who wants to get a box of a bunch of things that you don't like and then have to send it all back? So I really love that about Fashom. But I have not opened my box yet. I actually just got it in the mail. I think it was yesterday, and I have been waiting for a nice quiet nap time to get this done. So my box is right here. This is how it comes. It's just like a fun little purple box. I did go ahead and open it up, but I have not looked inside it yet. So when you first get into it, first things first, there's a paper that tells you all the information that you're going to need. So it has like your invoice, and the cool thing about the invoice is it has like each of your pieces of clothing with their price, so you can know exactly, and it tells you down here exactly what the total would be, and then if you get the 5 items, then you get a 30% discount, so it goes ahead and subtracts that and tells you your new total. So you don't have to do any math, it's all just right there, which is great. They also just send you a little pamphlet that tells you exactly how to purchase it, if it's not a good fit, how to return it, etc. So this is a styling box, like all the other ones, where if you don't like the items, you need to go ahead and return them within a few days. You can also exchange them, and all of the information is in this envelope as soon as you open it. So that's great, because I know like I don't want to go through like a million different emails or have to like log onto the website to figure out what to do. So I love that they provide all of that for you. But then you also have a bag, and I'm assuming that this is for like returns, which is great that they give you all of that. You don't have to like go to the post office and try to get all that yourself. And then inside, it's just covered with this cute little like tissue paper that has their logo on it. I'm like really excited to get into this. I will say that some of these items are a little bit out of my comfort zone. When I first saw them, I was like, I don't know if I would wear that or not. But I kind of wanted to like step out of the box with this try on and see if I do like any of these styles, because I know I personally might not try them on in a store. So that's what the fun part of this is. It's like a stylist is telling you, hey, I think this would look great on you, why don't you try it? And you can. And if you don't like it, you can send it back, so there's no commitment. So we're gonna jump right in. I'm really excited. This is like something for a mom, something for me. All right, so the first thing in my box are these black jeans, and the bottom is super fun. I have seen pants like this, like going around the internet, but I never thought I was like cool enough to like buy them. So they're just very frayed on the bottom. And I am intrigued to try these on. This is from the company Just Black Denim. I am not a fashion person, so I don't really know any companies, but it's by the company Just Black Denim. And they seem like they're stretchy, and they seem like they're going to be like really comfortable. I got a size 26, so hopefully these will fit. We shall see. Okay, and then the next item in here, this is like up my alley. This is something I can totally see myself wearing. It's just like a maroon burgundy. It's picking up a little bit more red on camera than it actually is, but it's like a maroon burgundy color. Just a sweater. It's a little bit like a slouchier fit. V-neck. I'm really excited to try this on. So I am going to try all these items on for you guys as well, but I just wanted to unbox them first. Okay, so this one is a little bit out of my like general pattern I would choose. It's a kimono, and I love kimonos, but when I first saw this look online, I was like, I don't know if I like that or not, but I figured I would just give it a shot. It has like the big florals, just like the kimono sleeves, very thin. So I feel like if I dress this up right, it could look really cute, but we're gonna try it on and see. And then this shirt is totally out of my comfort zone. And honestly, my husband was the one that convinced me to actually order this one. So I think I had put in my styling profile that I was looking for like a date night option, and this would definitely be a date night option, but my husband really wanted me to try it, so I'm going to. But basically, it's just like a silk spaghetti strap shirt, and it's a little revealing. Honestly, it has like the slits in the front, and I don't know if those tighten or not, nor do I know exactly how to wear this, but we're gonna try it on. It may be a total bomb, but my husband was like, please try that, so we're gonna try it. And then this is like totally up my alley. I knew as soon as I saw this in the cart, I was like, yes, this is just a gray cardigan, super soft material. It's from the company Natural Life. It's going to hit, I would say, probably like mid-thigh, and I'm always like looking for just like throw on like sweaters like this, so that I'm sure is going to be a win. But with all that being said, I'm kind of excited to try all of this on, so we're gonna jump right into it. Okay, so I'm going right for the big guns first because this is the top that I was most intimidated by. So it is just like more like a silk camisole, and it has like a very pretty lace detailing, and the top is not bad at all, honestly. It kind of like, it's more like razor back in the back. The problem is it's really low cut, and you would have to like either wear like pasties or a different style bra than what I have. I mean, I'm not well endowed, so you can't really tell that I'm not wearing a bra, but I don't know, it's a little out of my comfort zone. My husband, however, walked in and was like, keep it. So I don't know, we might keep it just to make him happy, but it's not bad. I love the color. It's a good material. I really like the lace detailing. It's just a little out of my mom comfort zone. It's definitely not like something I would wear for the everyday, but like I said, it would be a good date night option. I just have it with jeans right now, but you could style it with anything, honestly. Wear some heels, dress it up, dress it down. Okay, so I just tried it on with this kimono, and it's like not bad paired together. I feel like this kimono has the same color scheme in it. It has this blush like rose pink. And the neat thing about this kimono that I didn't notice is it has like slits right here. So it's not like just like a big like robe on you, but it actually has like a little bit of like, I don't know, fit to it. I'm actually liking it on, I think. It's cute. You could totally dress it up or down. I don't know. You guys will have to let me know in the comments below what you think. Should I keep this or not? like all of this. Should I keep all of this or not? Like, would you wear this on a date night as a mom, or am I like pushing it? Anyways, let me know in the comments below. Okay, so here is the sweater that they sent, and I am obsessed with this sweater. It's so soft. It's like not too thick, not too thin. Just noticed that my mirror's a little bit dirty, and I apologize for that, but you know, kids. But it has a good length that you could totally wear with leggings. You could also front tuck it. Super cute. I could see myself just going for this all the time. I really, really like this one. It's a little, I probably would have sized down one more size, but this would also be cute with like a bralette, just to kind of like pull off the shoulder. You could totally like do that look. So I like this one. Like I said, I probably would have sized down one size, but it might shrink a little bit. So I think we'll be fine. Super cozy and comfy for fall though. And then I went ahead and paired it with these black jeans. They are very high-waisted, so they come up almost to your belly button. I'm trying to decide if I really like the fray on myself or not. I can't decide. I might have to try them on with like a different style of shirt than this one. But they're cute. They're unique. They are very comfortable. I just can't decide if the fray's for me. Like, am I cool enough to pull this off? Am I hip enough for that? I don't know. Okay, and then I'm like, this is just, I'm sold on this irregardless of if anybody else likes it or not. It is so comfortable. So I feel like it fits really well, and then it's like slouchy in the sleeve, kind of like, I don't know, those look like bat wings to me. But it fits really well around like the bottom of my arm, and I feel like it just kind of gives it like, I don't know, some personality and a little bit more of like a specialized fit. And I could totally see myself like just grabbing this on the everyday. If I just needed something to throw on, or if I needed to keep something in my car that would basically go with like every outfit, I would keep this sweater for sure. And it's longer in the back, so it works for like leggings. Super cute. So thank you so much, Fashom, for reaching out to me and allowing me to share your products on my channel and to like be able to test them out myself. These clothes are seriously so comfortable. Like the quality, I can't even like explain it. Like this feels so good. So if you want to try out Fashom for yourself, I'm going to link their website in the description box below. Hop on there, fill out a styling profile. Your first styling profile is free. So it's like worth giving it a shot. And also it's really great that you get to work with your personal stylist. That way you know that the items that are coming in your box are something that you would actually wear, and it doesn't waste your time at all. But this quality is just, I can't stop raving about it. You all totally need to try them out. So thank you again, Fashom, for reaching out to me and for allowing me to try your product. And I will see you guys on the next video.